Snowmelt in the Sierras power the creeks, rivers, and waterfalls. Timing is critical for hunting the mountain's waterfalls. Too early in the season, the snow will keep you from seeing those booming falls and raging whitewater. Way too long and the snow will have melted away and already flowed downstream. Last year I went down to the canyon as early as I could manage. Can anyone say day job? But by then, it was deep into the rapidly diminishing tail. The falls were good, but it was a little bit too late for spectacular. This year I had an open weekend. I did not know if the road would be free enough from snow to make it to the trailhead, but I packed up my gear, headed out, willing to take a chance. I probably caught the last weekend with high flows this year. Luckily, the canyon will be there next year. Come along as we check it out, hunting waterfalls up in the Sierras. Hoping it stays this clear. I mean, it looks like somebody plowed it, which is cool. Still some snow. It's pretty hard pack. I have spikes, but so far I don't need them. It's hard enough snow that it's like walking on a trail. Just snow trail. Headed down the wrong path. Didn't think to check the GPS because the path was so clear. Why check the GPS? So probably made about a mile mistake here. About a half mile down the path before I realized what was going on, and then half mile back. So. But we got this incredibly beautiful, beautiful, beautiful view. This is where I made a mistake on the trail. I went over this direction to the left, which is along a lake. But I was supposed to go that way. And that's why I missed the trail. Yeah, we're gonna be hiking over the snow. I thought this creek was gonna be deeper and I'd have to put my water shoes on and hike across it, but totally crossable. Last time when I was here, it was totally dry, so I'm excited. There's enough water to have this flowing right now. The waterfall is going to be magnificent. Great day. I haven't been taking too much video of the hike itself because I'm trying to get down to the waterfalls. Still have a ways to go and I got a late start, but man, that's a big tree. So yeah, next to the creek here, it's going fairly well. In the summer, after the snow melts, it just dries up into nothing. So it's going pretty good now. And where it hits the river, it goes over this boulder cascade. There's just pure beauty. Looking forward to seeing it. As you can see in here, that's a pretty decent waterfall. The creek goes right in here. You can see it. You can see it disappears between these rocks and goes over the thing. Yeah, time for the drone. Here's the beauty. that waterfall. It's all the way down the river. That's where we're gonna camp, right where the river makes the bend. Now that's what we came for. Here we are, the river. The whole thing gets forced into this little slot. Crazy. There's a side creek coming in. That's a proper waterfall. Gotta cross that stream. I think I can do it and keep my feet dry. Just pick and choose your own route. Best kind of hiking. Cool roots. Erosion in process. Yeah, that's pretty recent cleave. And look, a smiley face. Mostly been hiking along the river. We'd have to come up here because this big rock slide. That must have been horrendous when it crashed down. That's where I decided to camp. Right next to this stretch of the river. There's another big waterfall right downstream from here. We'll check that out in the morning. Gonna take a little nap. Set the alarm for 1 a.m. to do some astro. We'll see if I get up. It was a pretty hard day, so really dig in the hammock next to the river. Might not get up. The alarm probably went off. I did not wake up. But still, I woke up about an hour later and took some astro, but the moon was coming up at the same time, so probably washed out the Milky Way a little bit. We'll see when we get back home. We'll see how it all goes. It is just gorgeous. I think I just took one of those photos where like you want to get back. Not a bad spot to have your breakfast. Not exactly a flat part of the trail, but an absolutely wonderful part of the trail. Pothole sauna. That's that waterfall we flew earlier. And it's still impressive all the way back here, half a mile away, watching the water just cascade down over those humongous drops. That's beauty. Bye for now. I thought if I had time I could stop and scramble down and photograph that one, but I'm way behind schedule, so this is it. This one starts here. The next here is there. And then if we take another step back, look up through the trees up there, see the that's the top here. Nice one. We'll walk along here together. There's that one. There's the second. And third. Another headlight finish, I'm sure. Just look at how beautiful it is. Worth it.